where the potential energy between electron and proton are given by alpha log r minus alpha by 2, where r is the separation between them. Calculate the radius and energy of nth Bohr orbit. You can apply the Bohr's postulates where all required. So we have this potential interaction potential energy. So if I differentiate this, alpha by r, and alpha is a constant, so therefore this will be 0, and we know F equal to minus du by dr. So let me write here. So this will be F equal to minus du by dr. So this particular force will provide required centripetal force. So I think I should not show, but still to make you understand, I'll just give some basic diagram in which potential energy between electron and proton. Okay, it is going to make a atomic structure like this, electron and proton. Then F equal to minus du by dr. So what is F? This will provide required centripetal force. So this should be equal to minus of alpha or just make it this one. Alpha by r. So look at now v is equal to alpha by m. So there's the speed of particle. Look at the speed of particle, constant. No, there's the one hypothetical atom is suggesting. So how do you are making? Let's not bother. Let's not try to practically analyze this. How do they construct such an atomic structure? It's hypothetical is saying. I think this is like this. You may get n hypothetical hydrogen atoms. No, we got V. After getting V, Bohr's postulates what it says. MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. We know V. We know V. V is alpha by M, R equal to NH by 2 pi. So what is the radius? This one will be NH 2 pi M or M alpha. There's an expression for radius of the nth Bohr orbit. Now he's asking what about the energy? Already we know potential, only we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So the total energy will be U plus K. This is equal to alpha log R minus alpha by 2 plus the kinetic energy is given by mv square by 2. Substitute this R minus alpha by 2, m by 2. V square is what? Alpha by m. So how much we are getting? This is equal to alpha log R. And what is R? R is this one. Now this hypothetical. You might have seen, no? If you look at the Western movies, no, you get plenty of alien movies, no? Why they are bringing so many alien movies? Because of Bohr's atomic model. And you see some, I think, the Infinity Galaxy or something, I don't know, some movie has come. There, you look at the different characteristics. One fireman, one what happened, Iceman, Superman, like that. We do have Infinity War. Infinity War. You look at in the characters here. The different persons, what happened, they're having different composition. Maybe what the Bohr's atomic model, from Bohr's atomic model, hypothetic atomic model, what they're suggesting that maybe in our planet, okay, we do have the matter in the form of atomic structure, what we know. Some other planet or some other solar system or some other universe or in some other galaxies, maybe where what happened, there's the matter, maybe in made up of atomic structure of this kind. Maybe made up of atomic structure of some kind, some n types of possibilities there. So this particular idea is what happened they are exhibiting in the movies. In the movies you see like why they are showing like that. As what happened, some fireman. So nothing will happen to it. So how it is possible? As we know, magnetic field. So you can magnetic field exist at high temperature? Yes. So if the atomic structure made up of magnetic field, and the electron can also exist, a revolving electron in a magnetic field will become atomic structure. And if a matter made up of such atomic structure, what happen? It is totally what happen? Safe from the fire. Any temperatures cannot do anything. And if a matter made up of such atomic structure and the person made up of such a atomic structure, then fine, nothing will happen to him even at high temperature. Like that, what happened? They have constructed the characters based on this hypothetical hydrogen atom. Different types of there that you can see that particular thing. Different persons with different one, like that. So what the scientists are telling is that one, there are possibilities there. That's why do they go for Mars? Why they're going for Jupiter, like that? Only to go and collect there the sand, the stones, and they want to check what is the atomic structure. And luckily, what we got is like the same atomic structure what we have on the planet Earth, on the moon was there, and also on the planet. Now they're thinking maybe outside solar system, different atomic structure as possibilities there. And this was the nature's law. Atomic structure means need not be like this only. Atomic structure can be anything. Sir, what is this you are saying? Yes, what we know only one thing. What is that? Electrons revolve in elliptical orbit about a nucleus where the nucleus contains proton, neutron. But there can be. So they're planning to reach the crust at the core of the Earth. Maybe some other form of atomic structure is there. They searched moon. Okay, finally nothing happened. Same thing. They searched planet Mars. That one. From there they brought it. No. So like this what the science is trying to explore. And all these ideas are fundamentals are in Bohr. You see, Bohr's atomic model is something you can say fundamental. That's why in physics we are giving highest priority for this, because that is what will give us exact reflection. On Saturday, don't miss class. Some 20 minutes, I'll talk something which you feel shock. You might have never heard the Bohr's atomic model. What happened? I'll conclude that one. A very beautiful form. Bohr's atomic model, matter waves, de Broglie matter waves, Bohr's atomic model. We are going to mix both. And the perception of you of life will change, at least after listening that 20 minutes. That one, of course, it's not a part of syllabus, but that is what we are supposed to conclude. Saturday don't miss, because if I tell today again, you start thinking only on that. You will not work out numerical. So let me put on Saturday. Don't miss that Saturday's class. All of you compulsory you have to attend. The perception of life will change. Means what we are thinking about universe, this earth, our life, everything, that everything what happen now, a new dimension will come. Total metaphysics, you can say. Higher metaphysics is what are hidden here. The more and more you analyze in the Bohr's atomic model, the more and more the creation, regarding creation is what it is reflecting. So this is about the energy. So I'll introduce one more. So here only let me finish off. If it is a you can say this is the most beautiful part of physics, the nuclear physics and atomic physics. No, in the entire physics, what we learned, no, the best concepts where students will enjoy, where students are made to imagine what coming. Of course, JEE advanced preparation will not permit, but the concepts are of that kind. So let me introduce another thing, another atomic structure. This is also atomic structure. What is atomic structure? Made up of magnetic field, and electron revolves in it. B bar. I'll project